Hello and welcome to the Average Man Barbecue Show. Today we're going to make broccoli and cheese stuffed chicken breasts. Let's get started. I need to make a pocket inside of these chicken breasts. I'm going to just use a fillet knife. Just poke it in. Make sure you don't go too deep because you don't want it to go through the bottom here. Put it in. Bringing it around, I can see right there. Go back in. There's one. These are mighty thin ones, so basically now I have a big pocket, but a very small little hole there. Here I have steamed broccoli with some cheese. I'm going to add a bit of spices to it, a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. So I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. Good thing with having the broccoli already steamed, makes this job a little bit easier. It's time consuming because you got a small hole. You don't want anything too big, so you got to do a little bit at a time. Add some of my chicken rub on here. See, I placed it on indirect heat. So there's no heat on this side, and the heat's on this side with my chunk of pecan and my competition pellets. I'm going to leave that cook probably about an hour and a half. So we're about 45 minutes in. I'm just going to check the temps because we're looking for an internal temp of 82 degrees. Getting there. It's at 73, 74 degrees right now, so it's getting close. Probably another 15-20 minutes and we should be good. Hello, welcome back. So we've taken it off the barbecue and I can smell it. Oh my god, I can't wait to dig into this. You'll have to take a look at this. So I've let it rest and this is what it looks like. If you can see, I got pretty darn close. Right here you can see the broccoli coming through, so but didn't quite make it, so let's take a look at what it looks like inside. Oh. Nice and filled. The chicken is very juicy. Gotta give this a try. Cheers! Got the taste of the broccoli, a little bit of the garlic powder and onion powder in there. And the rub just gives it that extra little bit of kick to it. Oh, it's so good. Thank you for watching the Average Man Barbecue Show. And if you like what we're doing, please hit the subscribe button down below. Until the next video, I'll see you later.